Well, this is it. Welcome back to the racetrack. Today we are at Spring Mountain Raceway, back on track in the Z06. Man, this track is just so much fun with the C8 Corvette Z06. I'm sure many of you already know that I am going to be selling my car. We have a lot of new vehicles coming in. Today in this video, I want to cover one of those possible new vehicles. It's always so much fun joining back up with the Ron Fellows Performance Driving School team. Their driver JJ showing us one of their new tracks, but also we got the chance to try out a new vehicle, and this is opening a lot of new doors. Replace the C8 Corvette Z06 with this, it's a totally new direction, but it would change lap times, track experiences drastically, because we are jumping ship then from a street car to one of these. I understand now why the F1 drivers have like wide necks. You ever notice that?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's a lot of G-force, you know.
How many G's is that?
That was probably 2.2,
really?
somewhere in that ballpark. Yep.
I thought the Corvette or the McLaren was fast.
Yeah.
And it's just like.
And this is not even on slick tires. It's on a semi-slick. It's not even a full slick.
Really? So what's like the peak lap time you can get out here, do you think, with these?
I don't know. I would say this car usually, not this model, but these kind of cars are usually the faster cars out here for sure.
Okay. Thank you so much again.
Hey, no problem. You're welcome.
So what do you guys think? Should we make the move towards getting into like a full-on race car, just like the Radical you can see here? Also, we've had the chance to drive very cool different variants of race cars, not only the smaller size of version, but back when I went to racing school in the day, I went to Skip Barber and I drove their Formula open wheel vehicles. They were a ton of fun. I think that the speed that you can hit with these small track toys, it's just way higher in the corners than any street car can. You gotta look at the mass, the actual weight of these vehicles. Way less. These street cars can get very heavy because they have all the amenities that you want to drive to Cars and Coffee with. Honestly, from my point of view, I just want to go fast and keep learning how to get faster. I don't need those amenities. So that is why looking at a vehicle like this and trailering to the track, it could be a good option. I know that many of you do have your own Radicals, like the SR3 that we saw in this video, or tons of other super fast track toys. You can get a Caterham, you can get the Lotus versions, you can get really fast vehicles just like the Expo. These small track toys that weigh half the weight of a streetcar, I mean, you can go out there, pay way less in consumables because you're not destroying tires as fast or even like the brakes. I do want to glance at like the Challenge Evo we drove, the Ferrari 488 Challenge Evo. These interest me too because I'm naturally gravitated towards the all-out race versions of streetcars because streetcars are relatable to all of us. And driving the 488 Challenge Evo race car, it was really exciting. It wasn't too rough. It felt like it could be a good tool to learn how to get faster in like a streetcar too. What do you think? For all-out track performance, is it better to get into a track toy like this? It's a small, not street legal based vehicle at all. Or should you look into these Ferrari Challenge cars, or even like the Ford Mustang GT4 race car we had the chance to drive here in the channel? Getting in these race cars, there are concerns when it comes to reliability from my end because since they don't have a manufacturer warranty a lot of the times, I'm not saying all these factory built race cars don't have warranties, some don't. It would make it hard to own. Also, resale value over time would be a concern of mine, to be honest with all of you. However, it really is exciting because we have the trailering vehicle now, the Ford Raptor R, a full-out track toy, a full-on track toy. I don't know. I think I would love to go this fast in the corners. It feels like a formula car. It's a totally different world, and it makes you get out of your street vehicle or your track car and go, wow, I can go that much faster? What? I want to explore this. I really do want to explore this. So please let me know in the comment section down below. My question to all of you is, what do you think, even from playing video games, what is better to get into that is a full-out race car? The race car versions of street cars, like the GT3 cars, the GT4 cars. I think even Corvette has a new Z06 GT3R, something like that. That'd be interesting, wouldn't it? That'd be really interesting. I'll have to look into that. Just check that out. Or the toys that are small, low to the ground, and have tons of downforce. That's one thing I want to experience more and more is downforce. I want more and more downforce. Also, make sure to check out the latest merch that just launched on the website. I'll have it linked on the screen right now or in the comment section down below. I don't push merch or anything like that often on the channel. If you want to support all of our endeavors, it's very expensive what we do. It really is. Please check it out. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for a lot of great adventures coming your way. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see all of you in the next episode.